Hello and welcome to this lesson called My Body in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name some parts of the body in Afrikaans. There will be no revision for this lesson. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows: gesig, gesig, face, liggaam, liggaam, body, bolyf, bolyf, upper body, onderlyf, onderlyf, lower body, gesig, face, hare, hare, hair, wenkbrauw, wenkbrauw, and the plural is wenkbrauwe, wenkbrauwe, eyebrow or eyebrows, oog, oog, and the plural is oë, oë, eye or eyes, neus, neus, nose, mond, mond, mouth, lip, lip, or lippe, lip or lips, kin, kin, chin, bolyf, upper body, bolyf, upper body, neck, 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 skouer, skouer, or skouers, skouers, shoulder or shoulders, borskas, borskas, chest, arm, arm, or arms, arms. In English, the spelling is exactly the same, it's just a pronunciation that's different. Arm or arms, armboog, armboog, or armboë, armboë, elbow or elbows, maag, maag, stomach, hand, hand, or hande, hande, hand or hands, vinger, vinger, or vingers, vingers, finger, fingers, onderlyf, lower body, knie, knie, or the plural, knieë, 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 knee or knees. Note that in the older video I had knie as knieg. I grew up using the word knieg, and it's not at all uncommon to hear that word. So I was a bit surprised to learn that knieg is technically not correct. The correct word is knie without the G. So thank you for those of you who made me aware of this. Been, been, or bene, bene, leg or legs, enkel, enkel, or enkels, enkels, ankle or ankles, foot, foot, or voete, voete, foot or feet, toon, toon, or toene, toene, toe or toes, activiteit, I've created some worksheets that you can use for self-study. You can print them out or type in your answers onto the PDF itself. I've added a link to them in the description. Dankie dat julle gekyk het. Ek hoop om julle in die volgende les te sien. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next lesson.